Everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know, are there any reward or cashback on Lloyds Bank credit card? So Lloyds Bank credit card offers a variety of different credit card, and according to it, one of the credit card is for rewards and benefit. Now you can see that Lloyds Bank World like Mastercard is a reward card that comes with cashback on your everyday purchases, whether you're at home, away, and a world of travels or benefit. Now they offer a 0.5 cashback on your purchase, totaling up to including $15,000 in each anniversary year from account opening. Now 1% cashback on the purchase total over this much amount. So you could go ahead and check your eligibility by tapping on it, and you can find about it in details. So these are the rewards or cashback on Lloyds Bank credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.